What's up, everybody? Today is day. Alright, you guys can probably hear me now. Today is day. Sorry, I have the screen farther than usual. I'm pretty sure today's day 48. Today is day 48 of the journey. So today we are gonna take a trade. I worked this morning, so I wasn't able to take a trade this morning, but I don't work right now. So, well, I was off for a while, and I was gonna trade Asian session because I'm a night trader. Yep. If you guys never heard of it, I'm a night trader. I'm an unprofitable night trader. Glad you guys understand. Alright, I've been watching it for a minute now, and low key, this is like an inversion fair value gap now right here. So inversion fair value gap, and I'm not gonna even lie to y'all, I might sell right here, cause there's this here. Let's see what it looks like on a higher time frame. Yeah, I'm probably gonna sell. I'm not gonna even lie. And then we're gonna aim for very short sell side liquidity. So probably like something like this. Cause if I had to guess, it's gonna come down here. Or it's just gonna come right back up and work in this area. But it's very slow. Very, 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 very slow. Yeah. So or we just don't take a trade today. What do you guys think about that? Maybe we just don't take a trade and we just let the day go on. And yeah. What do you guys think? Because I really do not want to hit. I really don't want to lose a trade. But if I have to, it's a part of the journey. And, you know, we lose, we win. And it is what it is. I wish I could show you guys my little setup I got here. Yeah, I'm starting to get into meditation and whatnot, so I could be more clear-headed and more attentive throughout my day. Especially as a trader, I feel like you need to really understand your emotions deeply. A lot better than what people think we should. A whole bunch of consolidating. Consolidating, right? Say that correctly, I think. So I had a big move up, and then it's like, oh, come right back down. But what's it taking out? It probably was taking out all this freaking sell side liquidity that was right here. Holy freaking shit. It took it out. That could be the displacement, and it's going to be going up. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Or I could just get in and aim for right here. What do y'all think? Well, I guess y'all will let me know what you think after I upload this. Okay, we're back at the 5 minute. Honestly, we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait and see what happens. I guess we're gonna have a little chatting up moment right now. If you guys don't know what fair value gaps are, they're literally imbalances in the market. These gaps like this right here, gaps right here, this gap right here, and they're like entry signals, because like it took out buy side liquidity, it came down, took out sell side liquidity, and then it created an imbalance, or what the fuck it's called? Created, I just said it, whatever. It created that, and it respected it, and it went up, and you could have aimed for right here, literally this right here. That could have been a trade, but I was not here when this happened. Yeah, no, I was not at home. So it literally would have been something like this. You would have saw, respected it. So I guess you could have entered like right here. And then put your stop loss at this buy side liquidity. Or if you want to play it safe, put it at this buy side liquidity. And the stop loss would have been right at the end of this fair value gap. So boom. And then once you saw us coming down, you come in for short side liquidity. It came down too with it. So there's different setups and different things there that you guys could have done. This thing still being consolidating. Let's see what it looks like on 1 minute. I don't know. I low-key might sell. I think I'm going to. But there's such a resistance in this area. It's going to have to take a big move to get through it. But, yeah, see, I should have just sold when I had the chance. This is what happens. I literally learned from this. We're going to sell. We're going to sell. Take profit. Whoa. Take profit right here. We're probably just going to go for like a 150 trade. 150. And stop loss would be 250. So let's see where that's at. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I don't like that though. It's 165 now. We're gonna put it right here. 100. Cause I don't think it's gonna come all the way the fuck down here. So I think it's going to. Even right here, it could have. Yeah, I shouldn't have taken this trade. I'll give you a lie to you. Still, that's what happens when we force fucking trades. I need to fucking stop. Fucking damn it, bro. I should just taken the trade up here and put this freaking take profit right here. See, I should just need to be going with what the fuck I've been studying and stop. I just forced a trade. Literally, that's literally what I just did. Forced a trade. So, yeah. It's literally what I just did. I forced a trade, and I'm going to probably pay for it. But we will see. This created a fair value gap right here. Damn. It is doing some pretty big movements for it on the upside. Bullish side. So, we shall see. But the more we lose, the better we'll get. I don't like the risk to reward here. 235 for 105 trade. Nah, if you're going to lose, I'm going to know you're losing. I do not like that risk to reward. If you're losing, you're losing. Yeah, now it's going to come up. See, I was stupid to even take this trade, to be completely honest. It really, it took out sell side liquidity. This right here, this right here, this over here, this over here. Yeah, it's whatever. I learned. God damn it, bro. I hate this shit. I don't hate it, but I hate that I decide to do decisions like these and not thoroughly think it out. This is why you need fucking write your shit down, Pharaoh. Oh, damn. This is why I am unprofitable. But do we know? When am I going to be profitable? Who knows? How many times am I going to have to make this? Yep. See, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. We might as well just close it out, to be completely honest. What are you doing, markets? Make a decision. If you guys see, it still respected the fair value gap. It did not close above it. It is still indeed respecting that fair value gap. For right now, it is at least. Now it disrespected it. Or not. Now or not. Now or not. Fucking, oh my shit. You guys see that shit? Oh my shit. Holy fuck. Holy guac. You see how it did not disrespect that fair value gap at all? Oh, now it's about him. Oh, yeah, now we're fucked. Oh, oh. Holy freaking shit kebabs. Boom. Close. Bro, it hit it. It hit it. Why did it not close? Y'all saw that? It hit it. It hit it. It hit it. Did you guys see that? It literally freaking hit it. It literally freaking hit it. But I hit. My trade hit. My trade hit. Look, it hit. I won the trade. I was right. I was basically right. Let's see what happened. Let's see if it gave me 30 or if it gave me bruh. 5 bucks. I know you guys saw that hit. Look, it literally hit. It should have taken me out right there. And then it didn't, and I was like, what the fuck, you motherfucker. But look, it's respecting that fair value gap like a motherfucker. It respected it and it hit. If you guys fucking look, it hit. Fucking trading view. I'm gonna. I wish you were a person so I could just. But I technically hit it, but it technically didn't go through. So it would have been a fucking green day. But what was that trade? 105, right? It's 105 or 145. It says 145 here, but I don't know how much it really was. And let's talk about how I put that fair value gap, the stop loss exactly, like right before it was going to stop it out. Right before it was going to stop it out. Whew, that would have not been great. Damn, trading view, you need to lock in, bro. You need to lock in. I want to take another trade because what the fuck was that? It hit it, but it didn't give me what I made. It should have took me out right there and then. Right there and then, it should have took me out. Look at it in 5 minutes. Oh my god. It's respecting the fuck out of that fair value. It's absolutely insane. I could tell you what the markets did do. Whoever was down here holding or like had stop losses, yeah, I'm sure it took them out. It took all of them out. So I'm not gonna lie, Pari's gonna start heading for buy side liquidity or come right on back down and do it because now it's probably gonna think it's gonna go up and then boom, who knows? It's all predictions. It's not all guaranteed and whatnot. This candle is about to close, so we'll see what happens next. But if you guys literally look, I freaking won this trade. You guys could go on my YouTube channel and literally see what happened in total and what the fuck it was looking like. So you respected the fair value gap again. And fair value gaps don't work. Oh, I'm forgetting you guys are here. Not over there. This is where I have like the recording stuff and like it shows all of the bullshit. Now it just stops moving. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It makes me want to take the trade again, not gonna even lie. Same trade? Twice in a row? That's fucking insanity, bro. What the fuck, bro? -5? It should have at least gave me +5. It hit it. It literally said it stopped there. I bought here. So, why is you being gay? What time is it now? 50. Yep, this was now. Look, now it's doing a cleaner move to the downside. It's all clear. Insanity. The markets were just edging the fuck out of me. It was edging my stop loss, and then it hit my take profit. Look. It's literally went past it. So there was no reason on why it couldn't fully take me out on what I made. It is what it is, I guess. It is what it is. Feel like that puta. I don't even know what the fuck this big. Oh, it's the Virgin Fair Valley. Yep. That I was saying. Not been disrespected yet. But now if I had to guess, it's going to get disrespected and aim for all this buy-side liquidity. But there's no anything that says otherwise, so I'm not going to do that. Or it could become an inversion fair value gap, and then boom shakalaka. Look at it, y'all. I want you guys to go on your charts, find gaps like these, and see how many times they get respected and disrespected. I promise you, it's a lot more times than you think. You can call ICT scam all you want until you backtest it yourself and you see it literally happens every single fucking day. And if you're looking for the right one, your trade's gonna hit. Or might hit. It's not guaranteed. This is not financial advice, so please do not take my word for it. You guys make your own decisions, and I'm just saying what I learned and what I've seen. Now, I'm not saying that it can happen again. It's not guaranteed. It's a prediction. That's the whole thing of trading. It's nothing guaranteed. It's just understanding technical analysis. But I do need to go on my run. My girlfriend is working a long time tonight. So, the most important thing about being a trader is taking care of your mind and your body. If your mind is shit, if your body is shit, you're going to be shit at trading. The other traders that are entertainers, they're entertainers. They're not traders, in my opinion. They were just entertaining for the fuck of it, for the lifestyle. And they're probably getting money from prop firms and stuff like that. There are some guys that do entertain and are very good at trading. Those guys are great, but I can promise you they're doing something to... I can't promise. I could say they're doing something that it's keeping them in check. Like Timmy, he is an entertainer, but he works out. He understands... I'm sure he understands his... whatchamacallit. He understands how his brain works. He understands rules and whatnot, and he's a good trader overall. So yeah, Yeah. I don't. There's nothing else to say about him. He is disciplined when it comes to consistency, when it comes to other things and entertaining. So, um, you can't. The whole thing is that you can't put yourself to the side and trading the whole thing. Your trading is literally how you trade is literally a reflection of who you are, in my opinion. If you're just emotional trading, getting in trades for no reason, you lose a trade and then you keep trading and whatnot. You lose a trade and you punch your computer or you throw your computer, throw your phone or something. Like, I don't know. I could tell you it is hard, and you're gonna want to feel like you want to give up. But I could guarantee you, it will always be worth it. Has it been worth it for me yet? No, but I could tell you that the journey's been worth it. Figuring out my mind, figuring out how I work and react to certain situations that's honestly is what's been worth it. Like, just understanding my mind, understanding how I work, and seeing honestly how I react to some things I don't like. So, bro, it's respecting the hell out of that fair value gap. Look at that shit. I'm not gonna lie, if it closes under it, I'm gonna expect bullish. It's aiming for sell side liquidity. I don't know where that was at. This fair value gap is fighting for its life. There you go. It's up atop. Let's see what happens. Is it come right out? Is it gonna respect it? Oh, there you go. Now there's this big old fair value gap right here. Right here. So it looks like it might disrespect this bullish or bearish for value gap, and if it does, that's a great sign. Well, not great. I mean, it's a good sign if you want to buy. In my opinion, it's a good sign if you want to buy. In my opinion, not. And don't copy me. I'm literally unprofitable. If you copy me, you are stupid. And I'm not live trading, so you guys can't copy. Boop. I'm just making sure everything's recording good. Nice. 1 second. Let's see what happens. Boom. All right. It closed the top of the fair value gap. So this is no longer valid. It could be an inversion fair value gap, but I'm gonna just delete it. I'll just leave it there. I'll just leave it there. And then we're gonna change the color of it. Oh, it's coming right back down. Oh, no, it's going back up. If anybody's a trader and you're watching this, why are you getting into trading, and what's the reason? Like, what is your why on trading, and what's keeping you going, and what's keeping you learning, and etc. Like, what is your why? Literally, what is your why? Why are you wanting to get into trading? Is it for fast money? If that's so, please just stop trading. Look, a bullish fair value gap here now. Let me get this out of here. I'm still learning how to find the right fair value gaps and the wrong fair value gaps. So I just mark them all out to see what happens. Or the ones you guys keep respecting the fair value gap and respecting the bearish fair value gap. Oh, there you go. Right under. There you go. So it respected this fair value gap overall. This is a higher time frame fair value gap. So it's going to be a little harder to whatchamacallit, a little harder to break. see. I just want to move this up. Boom. Boom. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, boom, boom. Holy. That motherfucker is going up fast as fuck, boy. There is no signal for me to get in, so I'm not getting in. I want to delete this big old thing. This disrespected no longer more. And this is my do it. My body. Alright, yeah, please respect these. I want to calm down so I can enter earlier. Come on, calm down the poppy. Calm down the poppy. Calm down right now. Oh, down. I want you to come down, not up. Yes. Alright, you know what? Fuck it. We're gonna buy. Not 10 units. Oh, I hate when I get in late. Fuck. Fuck. This sucks. This right here is what sucks. It's getting in late. Ugh. I hate getting in late so much. Where the fuck is my take profit? Fuck, I'm gonna lose this trade. Fuck. So, I don't want you that high, buddy boy. Alright. We're gonna put you right here. Are you shitting me? One contract. Bro. I thought you were better than that. What did you want to take out? You took this out, and what? You're done going up? You're done going up after taking this out? $42 and freaking regular NQ, this would be like what, $1,000 move. So gay. Come on, bro. Stop consolidating. Fucking shoot up. You were just doing it. Do it again. Don't make me bark at you now. I'm gonna bark at you. That is sad. $42? This is a sad trade. This is a sad trade. It is a very sad trade. $42? This trade feels useless to me. 42 fucking dollars. I guess that's the problem with us. $42 would what take? I'll tell you right now. Calculator. 42. That's a 3 hours worth of work. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I entered too late in my opinion. It took out whatever buy side liquidity it wanted to take out. I'm hoping it could take out this buy side liquidity. That would be, oh my fucking shit kebabs. I'm gonna. Now what? Now you want to get sell side liquidity? You just got sell side liquidity. Liquidity. It's only $27. See, it took out buy side. Let me calm down. It is what it is. Right here, whatever. It's alright. We got it again tomorrow. God damn, that sucks. It's fine. It's whatever. It's a part of trading. Oh shit. I lost the other. I should have just kept it as the one trade for today. Well, every day learning day. I just hate fucking losing. God damn it, bro. I hate losing. Freaking hurts. It hurts, bro. It hurts. I don't like losing. I don't understand why it's so volatile right now. Fucking shooting up, shooting down, shooting up. Like, god damn, bro. What'd I do to you? So we know it took out sell side liquidity. Setup was correct. All my is that I'm taking supposed to be separate than I sit. Right? It's like or anything. You pussy. Whatever. Today I didn't follow my rules once again. I took 2 trades when it's supposed only be one trade. Untrade, first setup. Setup was good. Bearish fair value gaps were getting respected, and took out sell side liquidity. Second setup, bearish fair value gap disrespected and was taking out buy side liquidity. I entered in the trade late and missed the opportunity and was just hoping for it to get to I had no clue that. And then look, and now I want to respect this fair value gap and go down. All of this. So we did. Do it. So we're sitting really splitting, but literally down here. Hold on, this work that is I did not expect that to happen. Not at all. But if you look, it already, this green candle already took it out, bruh. Basically. Well, that's what happens. It is what it is. Can't let it ruin your mood. Can't let it do anything. This isn't a real account. This is a learning account, and I learned my lesson. So, and I'm always learning my lesson every day. So, I should have just taken that first trade. It hit. It just didn't give me the profit that I put it at. It's not my fault. It's TradingView's fault, but I was right. And then I took another trade because what I want to do, prove to myself I can make a little bit more money than what it was. Like, it's an ego thing. Gotta fucking fix it, that's for sure. And then we entered too late. So because we entered too late, we missed literally the beginning of the move into the point that we should have been to. And look at that, it hits it. See? I always see these things after the fact. Patience is the thing. Patience is the thing that you need for trading. And I need to dig that into my brain. And I thought I was being patient. I thought I was waiting for the setup. But nope. First of all, I shouldn't have been rushing into a move like that fast. The second I saw that I was rushing, I should have just not even taken the trade. I should have just waited for another setup. And then boom, we see here. Setup. Could have taken that and would have hit. It would have hit. We could have done what, 3 contracts on that. It could have been $200. So who knows? And what? Now it took out sell side liquidity. Now what were we looking for? Buy side liquidity. This is literally the nearest buy side liquidity, or this up here. I would be aiming for this because it's the nearest. I don't want to be greedy. Just want to take my piece of the pie, or this right here. Oh. Oh, look at that shit. It wanted to take more sell side liquidity. It wanted to take it all. Yep. It wanted to take it. It is what it is. So what happens for not being patient. Just do the opposite what I'm doing and you guys would be profitable. Or maybe I should switch it to where I click it, it does it, and then I just set the stop loss and take profit wherever. But who knows? And look, it took out sell side liquidity. So there's no, you wouldn't want to sell right here. You would want to wait until you see a proper setup. And if it already took out the most nearest high, then you're not gonna sell. Oh. Whatever. I got dashboard. This would have been a hit for 100 something, and then this obviously lost. So, I go on my run now and have a great rest of my night. I'm not gonna let this ruin me. It's not even real money. It just sucks because it's like, you know, it's an ego thing. You wanted to be right and you weren't right, and it's the trading. This literally, it's the game. It's what it is, and gotta get used to it. So obviously patience is a big thing here, and rushing things. So I was rushing to get into the trade, and because of that I lost, and that is on me. So can't be rushing, and just have to look for the better setups instead of rushing the setups. Alrighty. Well, I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm showing up every day. Yes, it's hard. Yes, it sucks, but it's gonna click one day, and when that day clicks, you guys will see. And when I win, you guys will see. And when I get my first payout, you guys will see. It's gonna happen. It's not if, it's going to happen. I don't speak any of that negativity. So it's the biggest thing. You don't ever say if. If I get profitable, it's when I get profitable. It's a matter of time. And time passes, so just keep going, keep studying, and if freaking degenerates can do it, there's no reason why we can't do it. So let's just fucking go. It is what it is. And we're going to be right back tomorrow doing the same shit. And if we lose, then we're doing something wrong. We gotta remember what I said. Remember my rules. If I see the setup, just take it. If I see the setup, just take it. If I see the setup, just take it. Just take it. You won't know until it hits either take profit or stop loss. If you wait, you're going to miss the setup. And if you miss the setup, just wait for the next one. So the charts aren't going anywhere. And I wasn't saying that for you guys. I was saying that for myself. I'm saying that out loud. Alrighty. Thank y'all for watching. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 49. Let's get it.